ang paghahanap na apartment dito talagang napaka-importante dahil ito ay yung nasa big chunk ng ating budget. Ito yung isa sa malaking consideration. Hi guys! Welcome back to Jill in Cannes. So ngayon guys ay holiday today. Ito ay Diwali Festival at ngayon walang pasok. Walang pasok ang kids, wala rin akong pasok. At bukod sa Diwali Festival, meron pang Remembrance Day. I think yesterday yon or November 11 ba yon? So anyway, yung kids wala silang pasok since last Thursday up to Wednesday this week. Tapos ako naman, for the whole week, Monday up to Friday, wala akong pasok dahil it's a fall break. Yan, so medyo relax-relax tayo ngayon guys. At dahil dyan, babalikan natin ang mga videos o clips na meron ako tungkol sa aking house hunting. Ipapakita ko sa inyo guys, ano yung bahay na napili namin dito. So, marami akong napagpilian, marami kaming pinagpilian, tinignan, at inisip kung ano ba talaga yung kukunin naming bahay para matirahan dito. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung mga bahay na yan. Pero bago yan, bigay ko yung ibang information, ano yung mga naging consideration namin sa pagpili ng bahay na yan. Ito yung, syempre yung price range. Ayaw namin lumampas ng more than 2,000 Canadian dollars. So, actually, kung ano yung mas cheapest, yun talaga yung mas hinahabol namin, no? Kung ano yung mas makakamura kami, at lalong-lalo na kung included dito yung heat and water, kasi malaking savings din yun para sa amin, especially na family of 7 kami. Imagine, malaki, maraming gagamit ng electric, maraming gagamit ng heat, ng water, so talagang ang consume nun mas malaki. Kaya talagang we want to save as much as possible. So ganon din kayo guys, kung papunta kayo dito at sa tingin nyo yung within, you have to limit or yung budget nyo, kung ano yung price range nyo, doon lang kayo iikot. Yan, so maganda yung mga nakita namin guys, meron talaga kaming gustong gusto, pero bakit kaya hindi kami natanggap doon sa mga gusto naming apartment o townhouse or housing unit, no? Hindi kami na-approve. Bakit kaya guys? So, isa din consideration, tinitignan nila yung mga income, yung background natin, no? Yung income, yung mga historical, yung kung saan tayo huling tumira, kung na-evict ba tayo dito, yan. At kung bakit kami hindi natatanggap ay dahil nga marami kami guys. So, ang kinukuha lang namin ay 3 bedrooms. Pero para sa kanila, sa mga ibang nakita namin, kailangan ay nasa 4 bedrooms na kami kung family of 7. So, yung mga housing tips guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Kung mapanood nyo yung aking video, this one, yan, kung mapanood nyo to guys, so makikita nyo yung mga ibang napagpilian namin na bahay at ano-ano yung mga price range nila. So maganda yung mga location nila, maganda rin yung price, although medyo mas mataas na kasi nga hindi included yung mga ibang bagay katulad ng heat and water. Yan, so without further ado guys, eto na, panoorin nyo yung mga ibang bahay na nakita namin hanggang sa matagpuan namin ano yung pinaka napili or ano yung napili namin na bahay. So, eto na guys.
So our company just took over this building 3 weeks ago, and we're just slowly getting everything up into what it needs to be. So this would be unit 7.
Also, this is the one that's still...
This is the one that's rented, and then I also have unit 1 that is still pending, but I can show you that one as well.
Okay.
If you'd like. But yeah, this would be the...
Also, this is the one that I'll be looking around, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then I can show you what the standard would be.
Yeah.
For the units.
Okay, it's nice. Better naman. Oh, yeah. This is the 1 bedroom.
Here we go.
This is wet.
That's what.
Honestly, it might be.
Just the corners. Yeah.
Just the corners? Okay.
Yeah.
Just be careful these corners here.
Oh, this is big. Scissors. And that's the toilet and that. Okay. The appliances are.
Are they going to be changed?
I mean, is it included? Like.
Oh yeah.
The,
All the plants are included.
so there's only one unit left.
There is one, that unit is the only one left. And then the one downstairs on unit 1, it would be the exact same layout as this.
So yan guys, hindi pa nga siya ready by the time na kailangan ko ng lumipat. Kaya isa yung sa mga kino-consider ko. Actually maganda yung location niya kasi nasa downtown, malapit sa school ko. Walking distance, but hindi ko lang sure kung ganun kadali kung maglalakad ka lang during winter time. At eto, may balcony siya. Sa kanto nito ay merong high school, pero hindi ko nakita kung saan yung may junior high school at pang daycare. But siguro naman meron na malapit within the area. However, dahil nga downtown ito guys, one of the factors din na i-consider natin is yung safety ng location. Since maraming tao pag sa downtown, kahit pagbaba mo lang dyan, may mga homeless na naglalakad or hindi mo alam kung ano yung kung saan sila nakatira or may addiction problem yung iba na napalakad-lakad lang dyan. So yun guys sa mga kino-consider namin dito and sa unit na ito. The water?
Water, it's just electricity you have to pay for.
Okay.
From what I got from the other units, electricity goes from $30 to $40 a month.
Oh. So, ito naman yung supposed to be parking pero hindi pa siya sure kung magkano yung additional fee dito at aayusin pa rin nila yung parking space na yan. Pero kung nasa downtown ka nga nakatira, baka hindi ka na bumili ng kotse kung maglalakad ka lang going to school at sa mga groceries. However, mas malayo yung lalakarin mo, like 15 minutes walk to the school, ay malamig na yon at malayo na rin yon. So, yun yung mga factors din na kino-consider natin. Ito naman yung unit 1 sa baba. Maganda siya kasi hindi ka na aakyat. So, few steps down lang siya. At ito yung available din. But, of course, hindi pa siya ganun ka fully natapos. As you can see. At yung time ko dito ay hindi aabot para sa kanila. So, pass kami dito sa apartment sa downtown. So this is the should you take?
No, you don't manage.
Toilet. Okay din, no? Okay na to. Ito na. Ay, tinanggal. Nilabag ka. Nice. Okay na to. You can move. Oo. Ang laki din ng sala na to. Ang laki, no? This is nice. Pwede na to.
They can
Oo. Pang dogs ba to? Pang dogs.
Is the storage included?
Yeah, so
you guys gonna put?
mostly there's always no lights.
Yeah. So
So
they
we have a standing light.
starting right, yeah. You can put either here or there. When you have a
Yeah, that's what it's going to be.
Ano yung door dyan? Ito, may door pa dyan. Is the iron included?
Yeah. No.
Ito, basement yan.
Yeah, basement. You want to
Go to the
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Lights a little bit small.
There.
Nice.
Wow. Nice.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Lovely. Ganda.
You can
Have your... may mga secret passage.
Oh,
Secret. Huh? For what?
I like the hardwood.
What about this?
Huh?
Is that included? No.
Really, it's been except it doesn't get sold. I know my wife is steady.
So you're trying to sell it.
Okay, how much is it?
But I can ask her and go back to you.
So this is just open?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, it's okay for the kids.
This is your master bedroom?
that's big this week, so
Oh yeah.
Nice. May ceiling fan pa. Unang tapak pa lang namin guys, ang ganda na talaga ng vibes niya sa loob ng bahay na yan. Tapos ang daming mirror sa bawat rooms. Sa entrance may mirror din, 'di ba? So napakaganda. Tapos yung toilet and bath niya, yung basement niya ay furnished, ang ganda. Ayan, subalit ito nga yung pinaka nagustuhan namin. Ngunit hindi nga kami na-approve dahil family of 7 kami. Kailangan sa isang bedroom ay maximum of 2 persons lamang. Kahit baby pa yon ay hindi pa rin nila kinonsider. Yan. So, ang ganda ng view talaga nito. May sarili ka pang backyard. Although, sa pag-search ko, medyo malayo dito yung schools na pwede sa mga anak ko. So, hindi nila pwedeng lakarin. Kailangan meron silang car dito or by bus. Yung bus naman ng high school or junior high school ay medyo alanganin. They have to ride a car para makapunta doon. Okay. So, ang ganda ng blinds niya, guys. So, yan. Tignan na lang natin to for the sake of this video.
When it's winter time, they're cleaning the...
Yeah, except
that.
It's cleaning time, and I think they do have what's it called, a sign that says do not park cars here because they will clean it out. Yeah. So, but besides that, you can park 2 cars.
This apartment, guys, is located somewhere West End area, which is not our preferred location. However, dahil kailangan ko ngang makahanap lang ng other options, kung wala na talaga, ay pwede na rin ito. Subalit, the cost is 1,800 Canadian dollars. At hindi pa kasama yung heat, water, and electric dyan. Kaya, medyo mapapaisip pa kami dito kung itutuloy namin ito. However, just in case lang na wala na talagang choice or options, then maybe pwede na rin to. However, syempre, gusto namin talagang makahanap na nandoon pa rin sa aming budget range. Yan. So, anyway, hindi ko na to binalikan. Just showing you ano yung mga houses na nakita ko. They almost look the same, guys. Diba? Pare-parehas lang itsura nila. Yan. So, ito siya. Take stairs? Akyat ka sa stairs? Parang mahirap yata ang stairs. Yeah, it's me, sorry. Yeah, I'm Jill.
Yeah.
So yung the dining is there.
Yeah, so this is the dining where this one. Yeah. Little bit spacious. You have the a little bit extra
Storage.
And there is a common inside that. There is a the laundry is in that.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that is another unit, and they are moving out.
So that is another new unit.
Yeah, but I have a little bit of work there. I need to paint it. This I own. So that won't be available for immediately because it's near summer.
Big.
The floor is really nice. It's new.
Yeah, we put the linoleum new. Yeah.
Linoleum.
Yeah. Earlier it was different, so we removed that. And we painted it.
May storage dito. Cabinet.
And I have a small. You don't see the droplets coming out. So this I am working on.
Okay.
Rest everything is fine. I'm just. So that's the plumbing I'm going. The guys are coming and checking this. And this is the master bedroom. We have the walk-in closet, a little bit space there, and there is a half.
Yes.
So someone using this. So other 2 bedroom they can use the common, and you guys can whoever is staying here can use the.
We have that.
This is facing that road.
Okay.
Yeah, painted, and I did that. All those things. So only thing is that I have some electrical and plumbing. It's small leak actually. You don't see that leak, but I'm just asking plumber to check this.
So
that's where there is a water. It's very drop actually, very minor drop.
Is there
So I will fix this in 2 weeks, and then you guys can come.
obviously guys, one of the reasons na hindi na namin to i-consider dahil sa outdoor stairs niya, which is very unsafe for the kids and even the adults, especially kung winter or may snow. Talagang nakakatakot umakyat doon sa stairs na yan. Kaya goodbye to this house, at hindi rin siya accessible sa mga schools and groceries nearby. Kaya next house please.
Unit number 6, so just press unit number 6, it will come to your phone. So if your kids are at home, you can open it for them. Okay. So 8 units, 4 in the first level and 2 in the 4th level.
How many?
8 units in total. We will have an elevator, it's the only exercise we have.
is there own laundry?
No, it's for 4 units, it's 1 washer and dryer. So this would be for the first level people.
This is Lino guys. So siya yung current na nakatira dyan sa unit na yan, at lilipat na sila to a bigger house. Kaya ito ay isang transfer lease.
4 units. This is ours.
Oh, somebody's...
Yeah, my kids, like everyone is in
sila
there.
yung nakatira.
It's like a bi-level thing, almost like in a house.
Okay.
This is the dining area.
Hi.
So it comes with the appliances, everything. So oven is ours, so the rest is all. So fridge, and what's that called? The thing comes along with that.
Yeah.
But there is premium. With premium, you get dishwasher or something. We don't have a dishwasher.
Okay.
So that's the difference. That's the school. That's the junior high.
Junior high.
Yeah, that's a public school. We have Catholic school on the other side, the white building. That's St. Hilda.
Oh, okay.
We have quite a few storage spaces here. Storage spaces here as well.
Storage.
Yeah. So one of the downstairs is half. Just go ahead.
Mabait din to si Lino, guys, at talagang napakaganda ng kanyang pagtutour sa amin with all of the information na kailangan namin. Talagang gusto rin niya na kami yung lumipat dito sa bahay na ito.
It is hardwood, yeah. Yeah. But the second level, that's carpeted. So some of the 3 level, both are carpeted.
Oh, really?
So yeah, but we didn't want carpet.
It's better, ba?
Yeah,
It's better.
It's easy to clean as well.
Easy to clean and
Yeah.
you know when
If someone
times when it goes like a
Yeah.
long time.
Oh yeah.
The carpet smells.
I'm not sure whom I spoke to, but there's a counter here, so it's up to you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we wanted a prayer space, so we thought we'll switch it there.
That's nice. And
We also have netted here, so
which is
so that-
good
yeah,
because she has
it's pretty new.
kids.
It's for the birds not to come in.
The
So
birds.
that's why we have all the spikes and everything stuck on it. So otherwise they would really make this place bare birds. So that's the elementary
Ang galing
school
nito,
right
guys.
over
Ito
there.
na yata talaga yung hinahanap namin kasi yung schools ng
Like
kids
this,
ay
the Catholic
andyan
school
lang
is
sa tabi.
Right beside St. Elizabeth and St. Hilda. So
They go to the Catholic school?
Catholic schools, yeah. So we are Catholics. So. And if she's in high school, that's the Holy
Yeah,
Trinity.
she has a.
She's not my daughter.
Okay.
They're the ones who live here.
I'm actually in college.
You look young.
But she has a high school.
I have one high school.
High school. So St. Hilda they also have the accelerated program as well. So my son, they have like a test to qualify for that, and then they can go into the accelerated program. It's a good one as well. Process of packing. So,
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
so this is the full band. It has the top and everything. Their maintenance is really good. So we just need to
Just
call them, that's all. But now they have an online process, so they have to submit requests through that. But they're good. That's why we stayed here for this apartment like 3 years.
Oh, 3 years.
But we live beside, like it was also 2 bedrooms. When kids grow up, we need more space.
That's right.
So this is the youngest daughter's. It's very evident.
It's big.
And,
It's big. Malaki to, di ba, kaysa kanina? Ang tinignan natin doon. This is much.
The bedroom is big.
oh, this is the smallest one we have. We have
This is the smallest one.
So this is for the youngest kid.
That's nice.
Ano tong door na
They
to?
also have storage spaces.
This one?
This is the storage.
But if you need additional storage, you can. It's $10. For me, it was $10, but you just need to talk to them.
Oh yeah.
Your phone or go, and that's outside. I'll show it to you. So this is the master bedroom. This is quite spacious. I use it for my office as well. So
Okay. It's big. Ito din laki, oh.
this is the third bedroom.
Yeah, they have
That's the
a
rose.
very
Just open it and see.
Pwede na. Ang laki, no?
They have.
You can turn on the lights.
This can be our own. Ito sa
I had
amin.
3 kids, so
you
this
have
is
3
here and one there. There's an entrance from the other side as well, so that's the Wilbus Road.
Okay.
So you have 2 entrances, one from the parking side. So kids can then walk in through this side, but they need a key for this side.
Saan
The other one they can press.
Anong side?
This one will be.
Yung entrance. Okay. Tapos ito yung
So it's all quiet. This is the biggest one we have.
They have a big.
Wow. It's wide.
Might be messy.
Yeah, it's okay.
We're just looking for the size.
The size, this is the biggest one. So maybe,
Thank you.
Also
What is this?
Here, closet.
Closet. What's this?
Like 7 closets all around. So, this is a laundry space.
Going to the
Very close to us, so it's very easy for us. So, we get a car. So, it's like $2 per wash and per drying. Okay.
How many kilos? Or, ganyan ba dito?
It's quite big.
It's big.
I haven't checked the kilos.
It's okay.
For 2 washes, you can use 1 dryer, but it's good to keep it 1-1. Otherwise, it might not get dry. So we have
how many
4
families?
units, 4 families.
Units.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's a Korean family. It's a Pakistani family here. That's from Mongolia. It's a multicultural.
Okay.
Christians, Muslims, everyone. So that's the outside. That's a different house.
Okay.
So this way you can go downstairs.
So based dito sa mga sinabi ni Lino sa features ng apartment na ito, especially ang rate niya ay napaka-affordable para sa amin at accessible pa ito sa mga schools at mga ibang location na sinabi niya sa amin, at higit sa lahat dito kami na-approve. Kaya ito na nga ang nanalo, guys. So ang hiningi lang sa amin ay ang pangalan namin as couple at ang 2 elder kids namin. Hindi na tinanong the rest of the family members. So okay na yon. At abangan nyo, guys, ang pa-house tour ko dito. Hindi pa pala tapos si Lino sa kanyang house tour. So ito pa yung ibang daanan na tinuturo niya sa amin, at sasabihin din niya yung tungkol sa parking.
Yeah, that's your side.
Dito na. So kung
Heavy for the kids so that they cannot by themselves. That's why they kept it heavy.
That's nice.
They just need to have a key when you come to the other side. There is no electronic system.
This one doesn't have.
Okay. So you need
To
key
be on the
here.
safer side, we always keep it locked.
Right. That's right. So that no
one comes in. This is electrical place.
Ang kumpleto ng details ng house tour ni Lino. Wala na yata akong masasabi pag nagpa-house tour ako nito. How much do you spend? How much do you spend for the laundry, like for a month?
It depends on the wash.
Yeah.
So per wash is $2 for dryer.
Like for
washer.
the kind of family, your family.
We are like a 5-member family, so I charge it for like $100. Like it would go to at least 3 months, 4 months. Yeah.
3 months, 4 months?
Yeah.
For 3 months.
Oh yeah. Sometimes. Yeah. Sometimes we don't know. Yeah. Takes rotation. We don't even know how much it is. So. I have a laundry recharger there, so we go there, charge it up, and keep it.
Card ba yun?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a card.
It's not the coin thing.
Okay.
But it's quite spacious, yeah. It's more than 200. So the one at the farthest is the black Dodge. So that's our parking
that
space.
one?
Yeah, that's the biggest parking space. Because it's the far end, that's why. Yeah.
She cannot choose.
Oh no, they have to.
They have the designated.
We have. That's the assigned one for us. So in
It's
case-
okay.
Ayan guys, so kung nakaabot kayo sa part na ito ng ating video, ay maraming salamat sa pagsama sa aking pagtitingin ng mga bahay dito sa Canada. So ito na yung last part ng aking house hunting, at finally nakita nyo kung ano yung napili namin. Kung nagustuhan nyo ba yung napili namin, kung you agree, or kung meron pa bang mas better na apartment na sa tingin nyo para sa amin. Comment down below guys kung ano yung masasabi nyo tungkol sa napili naming apartment. Ayan, so ang isa sa mga considerations namin nung panahon na yon, nagmamadali na kami kasi nga aalis yung aking friend. Kailangan ko nang makahanap ng malilipatan bago sila magpunta sa vacation. Ayan, so isa sa mga recent na balita ngayon tungkol sa mas maraming international students na dumadating dito ay yung housing problem. So dahil nga mas maraming taong dumadating, maraming international students, kasama pa yung family, ay kumukonti yung pupuntahan o yung mga bahay na available dito. So kung nagpaplano kayo guys na pumunta sa Canada, talagang isama nyo ito sa planning stage nyo na tumingin na kayo sa marketplace, yung sa link na binigay ko dun sa aking first vlog about house hunting. Yan, tignan nyo yun guys, at nandoon yung ibang mga tips na pwede kong na-share ko at yung kung saan pwedeng maghanap ng bahay. Maghanap ng way paano makahanap ng bahay dito habang wala pa kayo sa Canada, kung merong way. Especially kung meron kayong relatives or friends na pwedeng yung pakisuyuan na tingnan dito or mag-arrange ng mga payment, yung mga ganon, para pagdating nyo, I'm sure na meron na kayong matitirhan. Yan. So, kung nag-iisip naman kayo guys kung paano kayo makakatipid sa pag-rent ng bahay dito, so unang-una, syempre, dun tayo sa budget range natin. Pangalawa, katulad ng aking classmates, no, ang ginawa nila, since dalawang couple sila, 2 couples yon, nag-arrange na sila na pagdating nila dito ay magkasama sila sa isang apartment. So naghanap sila ng 2-bedroom unit at yun, naghati sila ng bayad doon. So parang mas mura din kasi kung 1-4 yon, edi tig 700 sila. Yan. So mas nakamura sila sa ganong arrangement. Syempre, pansamantala lang naman to guys. Sa umpisa lang naman tayo nag-a-adjust ng ating way of living dito. So pagka naging okay na, ay pwede naman tayong maghanap ng sarili nating titirhan. Ang paghahanap ng apartment dito talagang napaka-importante dahil ito ay ito yung nasa big chunk ng ating budget. Ito yung isa sa malaking consideration natin pagdating dito kasi yung food, maliit lang na na portion lang ng budget natin yan. At yung rent talaga yung malaki, no, kasi monthly nating babayaran. Meron ding kasamang insurance din yun na babayaran natin. Although hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, pero may certain amount pa din yan. Depende sa coverage ng insurance na titirahan natin. At syempre, i-consider natin yung location, kung malapit tayo sa grocery, kung walking distance lang ba to sa grocery, sa schools ng mga kids. So, importante po yon na makita natin. Okay. So, importante na makita natin yung mga ganong bagay na na yung mga bagay na kino-consider natin. At syempre, kung yung location ba natin ay safe. Yan. So, especially kung ang sure tayo na safe yan kapag may mga schools na mga bata. Syempre, school area yan. Yung mga kotse, hindi rin pwede silang maging mabilis umandar doon dahil nga school zone yon. So, ganun yung location namin. Malapit kami sa school. Katabi lang namin yung school. Kaya, safe siya talaga. Isa din na titignan natin yung mga inclusions, yung mga heat and water. Especially yan, kung marami tayo, big family, kailangan included na yung heat and water. Syempre, hindi lahat ng housing ay ganon, but kung makakahanap tayo, I'm sure meron yan. No? Usually, heat and water is included, kasama na din yung parking availability. Yun lang guys. So, kung meron pa kayong questions tungkol sa ating housing tips or house hunting adventure, so comment down below or send me a message. At kung meron kayong mga ibang topic na gusto nyo pang malaman, just comment down below guys. And thank you for watching. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please consider subscribing to Jill in Can at follow me or like my Facebook page, Jill in Can. I'll see you guys in my next vlog and thank you for watching. Bye!